This is the revolution no one is talking about. Tesla's most important car is not the Roadster. What is this secret new model? And what is the one feature that will make every other car on the road obsolete? The answer will change everything you know about driving. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Digital Auto Addict 99. Today, we are looking at the brand that doesn't play by the rules. While other automakers reveal cars years in advance, Tesla operates in secrecy, planning a full-scale assault on the industry. We've gathered all the latest leaks, patents, and insider reports. This is The Future is Here, Tesla's top models that will blow your mind in 2026. Let's start with a legend, reborn. At number 5, the Tesla Roadster. First revealed years ago, the latest reports from inside Tesla's gigafactories suggest that production is finally ramping up for a 2026 release. The specs are still unbelievable. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 2 seconds, a top speed over 400 kilometers per hour, and a range of 1,000 kilometers. The most insane rumor is the SpaceX Package, which will use cold gas thrusters for even faster acceleration. Expect a price tag starting at $200,000 USD. At number 4, a mysterious new vehicle for the city, the Tesla Cybercab. As officially teased by Elon Musk himself, Tesla is developing a dedicated, fully autonomous Robotaxi. It will have no steering wheel or pedals. Based on the teasers, it will have a radical, futuristic design inspired by the Cybertruck. The goal is to create a vehicle that can operate 24/7 as part of a Tesla-owned ride-hailing network. A 2026 public beta is rumored to be the target. Coming in at number 3, the vehicle designed for the masses, the Tesla Model 2. This is the big one. After years of speculation, Tesla has confirmed they are accelerating the launch of a new, more affordable compact car. Codenamed Redwood, this Model 2 will be built on a revolutionary new manufacturing platform that dramatically cuts costs. The target is a late 2025 reveal with a 2026 release and a game-changing starting price of just $25,000 USD. Sliding into our number 2 spot is the surprising new family hauler, the Tesla van. Another vehicle officially teased by Elon Musk is a high-capacity passenger van. Based on his sketches, it will have a sleek, futuristic design and be built on the Cybertruck's platform. The key innovation will be its flexible interior, designed for both family road trips and commercial use. A 2026 reveal is rumored to follow the launch of the Model 2. And finally, at number 1, the vehicle that is Tesla's true secret weapon, the Tesla Full Self-Driving System. And this brings us to the secret. The car that will make all others obsolete isn't a single model, it's the autonomy platform itself. The feature that no one can copy is Tesla's advanced full self-driving technology, now in version 14, with major updates rolling out in 2025. Powered by AI, trained on millions of miles of real-world data, FSD enables supervised autonomy today, with unsupervised capabilities expected by 2026. This means vehicles like the Cybercab and Model 2 can drive themselves safely without human intervention, handling complex maneuvers, route navigation, and even parking in garages or driveways. Tesla has officially reported massive improvements in safety and efficiency, with 1 crash per 6.69 miles on autopilot in Q2 2025. This is the secret weapon. It will turn every Tesla into a smart, evolving machine that gets better over time via over-the-air updates, rendering traditional cars without true autonomy obsolete. It's not just a new car, it's a new era of hands-free, intelligent mobility. So there you have it. From a 400-kilometer-per-hour hypercar to a $25,000 car for the masses, Tesla isn't just planning new models, they are planning a complete takeover of the automotive world, all built on a foundation of revolutionary autonomy. The future is coming, and it's electric. But what do you think? Which of these new Teslas are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. thank you for fueling your passion with Digital Auto Addict 99. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next one.